Hey everybody, in this video, we will go through the main functions of VXCharts. I will also be sharing a very helpful feature called the Auto Alert. So stick around to the end and let's get started. Think of charts we have on our screens like web pages. We can scroll the mouse wheel up to go back earlier or scroll down to the newer parts of the chart. We can also drag left and right, that is, to hold the left mouse button down and move it. Going down to the time area, dragging left and right will make the bars thinner or fatter. In the ERG area, we can drag up and down to resize it. If the price bars get too compressed, we can drag up and down on the price axis to manually change their height. Note that when you do this, a message will pop up on the chart indicating it has switched into center or auto adjust mode. Double-click on the price axis to go back to the default center and resize mode. In most cases, you should stick to using center and resize. We can also add drawings to our charts. Do that by double-clicking on where you wish to point to. An arrow will appear pointing to the spot where you double-click. Anchor points will appear when you move the mouse over the ends of the arrow. This will be a circle at the tip and square at the tail. If we drag the circle, the arrow will move as one. But dragging the square will only move that anchor. This combination allows us to move and point the arrow to any spot on the chart. Double-clicking on either anchor will also bring up a window where we can attach text to the drawing. We can also set the color as well as direction of the arrow and save it as a template to one of the tabs below. We usually use direction of the arrow to represent direction of the trade, which is up for long trades and down for short trades. Take note to only use tab 2 and above, as tabs C and 1 are reserved for special purposes. By default, the even number tabs have been set up for long trades and the odd ones for short trades. You will just have to fill in the entry and the stop loss price. Let's select tab 10 and do that. We can see our earlier arrow has turned green with the prices attached. Let's do this again, but this time with a short trade. Now, remember to always double-click where you wish to point to. We will add an arrow and double-click again on the anchor to bring up the window. This time, select tab 11, enter the prices and click OK. You will see the arrow has flipped itself to point downwards and also have the prices added. When you're confident the arrow is pointing to the correct bar, right-click on either anchor and clone to all charts. If you wish to remove the drawing instead, select Delete. Clone to all charts will make a copy of your arrow across the other charts at the same point. This makes it much easier to cross-reference and see what is happening on the other charts. Before we end off, let's take a look at this feature called the Auto Alert. As its name suggests, this alert will appear and disappear automatically, so don't worry if you are not seeing it on your charts. Its main purpose is to help calculate the stop loss for possible entry prices. This allows you to focus on deciding rather than struggle with the maths. On my chart, you can see a line appearing one tick below the lowest point. The line also shows the price it is on and an S, which means support. In the brackets, you see 3 ticks, which means that this line is currently 3 ticks away from the latest price. So all you have to do is decide if 3 ticks is within your comfort zone. The auto alert will also appear for possible short trades. Instead of S, it will show R, which means resistance. I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions, drop us an email at the link found in the description. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.